Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix games with no sound on iPhone. If you're experiencing no sound on games on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First method, check volume settings. Ensure that the volume is turned up. During gameplay, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the sound. Or go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and check that the ringer and alerts volume is up. Next method, disable silent mode. Make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode. Check the ringer or silent switch on the left side of your device. If you see orange, it's in silent mode. Flip the switch to turn it back on. Another method, check Do Not Disturb mode. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, it may affect notifications and sounds. Just go to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb, and make sure it is turned up. Another method, check in-game sound settings. Look for sound settings within the game. Many games have their own audio settings. Open the game and navigate to the settings menu, then audio to ensure sound effects and music are enabled. Another method, disconnect Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, the sound may be routed there. Just go to Settings, Bluetooth, and toggle it off to disconnect any Bluetooth devices. Another method, restart the game. Close the game and restart it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the app switcher. Swipe the game off the screen to close it, then just reopen it. Last method, update the game. Ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Just open the App Store to check it, then tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down to see pending updates, and tap Update next to the game, or just tap Update All. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.